Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Woman's Fashion. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this leather video today, I will show you a leather pants ideas, designer leather pants ideas. My dear friends, let's talk about trendy fashion about leather pants will change your personality. My dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social media's contact, and also let me know in the comment section what kind of leather videos do you want to see on my channel. My dear friends, if you love to follow trendy fashion about leather pants will change your look with legging style pants, shiny leather pants, zipper style pants, designer pants, and much more about leather outfits. If you like to follow in daily workouts, it's very comfortable and stylish leather pants to follow in clubs, parties, functions, night functions, events, and much more about all your festive events and moods. My dear friends, thank you once again for watching my leather videos. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection, new ideas, new trendy fashion about leather pants ideas. We will be right back with new leather videos and new leather pants, legging style pants, and designer leather pants ideas. Thank you once again. Keep supporting me. Till then, thanks for watching. Salam to all of you. Pray with us. Bye bye.